So today we've got a little project going. I thought somebody might be interested in seeing. It's going to be a real simple swim ladder. We're doing some work on this dock, and it involves a good deal of painting and sanding and prep work for paint. So I could try to get down on my poor old knees and do this, or I could actually get in the water, which, given the way the weather is right now, is probably preferable anyway. And so we've got some scrap wood sitting around from another project, these 2x4s, which happen to be pressure treated, but that's neither here nor there. And then I bought a piece of 1¼ conduit, and this is going to be the rungs for the ladder, and they're 20 inches long. They're going to go in. That'll give us, about 17 inches of foot space between the sides of the ladder. So it's going to be pretty dead bang simple. We're going to do holes with a hole saw for the rungs, fix them with deck screws, and then the only tricky part is, if you look down here, we've got a little rubber bumper lip, and that's got to stay there, just for boats and things that come up against the dock. So we've got to set the ladder off that bumper a little bit so it doesn't get squashed. So these boards are 6 feet tall, and I'm going to hope for about 4 feet of them under the water. I think that's going to be a pretty comfortable height to actually get your feet on the rungs and climb up. So I'm going to start about 2½ inches up from the bottom for the first rung. That'll give plenty of meat underneath it to support the weight of somebody. And then I'm going to go up 10 inches from that rung, 10 inches from that rung. So we'll have a total of 4 rungs coming up. Alright, so the first one, we'll mark it 2½. And then we'll go up 10 inches from that. 10 inches, 10 inches. I decided I'm going to go ahead and put in a 5th rung on these. So, okay. So you're going to want to clear the sawdust out of the hole from time to time as you're drilling. It's going to make that a lot easier. Another thing is, as you get close to the end, you're going to feel the pilot drill go through the other side before the hole saw does. And that's a good time to take it out, flip it over, and go in from the other side so that you don't have a plug completely filling up the hole saw, which is very difficult to get out. If you've just got a couple of tenths of an inch in there from the other side, you can just grab it and pop it off. So the next step is to get the rungs in the holes. We're going to just set them in with deck screws, and we're going to do one side at a time to make sure that the spacing is the same all the way down. So I've got these now spaced at 16¾ top to bottom. I didn't cut all the rungs exactly the same length, and that's fine. We can trim those later on. But 16¾ just looking at it is wide enough for someone to climb up comfortably. And so I'm going to go ahead and put the screws in on the other side. Okay, so kind of starting to look like a ladder here, a little bit flimsy yet. So what we're going to do next is put this plate up here, and this is actually going to rest on the dock. And then we'll run a couple of shorter pieces on the bottom of it to hold it up off the deck so it isn't crushing the rubber bumper. So that's pretty good. It's off the rubber bumper, but it still wants to go in a little bit because the dock is undercut. So we need to put some pieces along the side to keep it from doing that. So we added these little ears down here which will hold the ladder against the dock and keep it from kind of pitching against the person who's trying to use it. So let's give it a try. Well, so version number 1 didn't come off exactly as planned. The screws coming through were just not enough to hold it, with my weight on it. So we got these steel angle brackets, and we're going to set those in. So we'll see how that goes. We got a new battery. Let's try it out. Not bad. Seems like it works. There it is. Thanks for watching.